This is the day after the epic night. Last night, doing no hill on Emma's, trapping her foot. She couldn't get out, so I went to go free her, lift the window up, and I got mauled. My middle finger is all swollen. Doesn't look as bad as last night. That's because I had antibiotic ointment on it. And she got my ear as well. All bloodied and gross, and it wasn't fun last night. I couldn't even sleep. I was up at 6 in the morning because my hand was in so much pain. And this is my primary hand too. So it's hard to do anything. And Emma's, of course, feels really bad that she did that, huh, Emma's? Yeah, you could see it in her eyes. So we cleaned her off, cleaned the dog off, and she got him as well. Let's see if we can see where it is on him. Come here. Turn it up. She got him right in the corner. Got a few scratches. Got him right in the corner of the eye, poor buddy. Got a few scratches on his nose, but other than that, he's alright. Poor Emma's. She was so terrified. She seems to be walking okay now, so that's good. The vet said nothing was wrong with her. So everything is okay. I'll keep you updated.